Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, reviews, you name it. So if this is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay, join us, join the family. And I'd like to say thank you so much for my return supporters. Love you guys, thank you, I appreciate you guys a bunch. So get excited because today's video is gonna be a funny video. Today we're going to be trying some gorgeous wig from AliExpress, and these wigs, they are so beautiful, so high quality that I was like a shock when I got them. I'm so happy, so pleased with them. So AliExpress is having a huge annual sale going on, so I'm gonna give you guys some of the info. This is the AliExpress Double 11 or 11/11 Global Shopping Festival, and this is started in the 1st of November to the 12th of November, which is the biggest sales that AliExpress have the whole year, and the few weeks is going to be up to 90% off, which is amazing. So if you cannot afford to get them in a full price that days of the sales, you're going to be able to get all of them for a discounted price, so you can get more color, more fun that you can use for custom, you can use for change your look, get wig, all the colors that you want, because they're gorgeous. And I have 3 of them here I'm going to show you guys, and I do have some coupon codes for you guys. I have one for that you can take $9 off a $60 purchase, and this one is why pay more 9, and I'm gonna put it here when I be editing for you guys. And this one also for $15 off your $100 order, and this one is why pay more C15. I'm gonna put it here too when I be editing. And then they have another code that's $25 off your $165 order, and this one is why pay more 25. All right, I'm gonna put it here when I be editing for you guys so you don't miss the sale, okay? And this code only is going to be valid through the period of the 27th of October to the 30th of November, so take advantage if you want to stock up on your wigs. Let's show you guys the wigs. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you guys one by one the wigs really quick before we start trying them on. Brunette one, it come around nice packed in the little protective net, very pretty. This one I think is 24 inch if I'm not mistaken. Very nice, gorgeous, love it. So I'm gonna show you guys inside how they look. This one have 3 clips, one on each side and one on the bottom here. And it does have this little elastic here that you adjust for the size of your head. Very beautiful, gorgeous, very nice. These definitely look like real hair. You could pass, these are real hair. Alright, so I'm gonna put this beauty down, and I'm gonna have info for the wigs on the description of this video if you guys wanna enjoy buying one of them. So I'm gonna put this one away, and then we're gonna go to our next one. So the next one I'm gonna show you guys is going to be this red hair one here. This one have bangs, very beautiful, have straight hair and bangs. Love this one, very high quality. You guys can see that the hair is really beautiful, really nice, very gorgeous. And the link for you guys to check them out is gonna be on the description of this video if you guys decide to check this gorgeous wig out. So this one doesn't have any clip on it, it just have the elastic here that you adjust on your head, but is gorgeous. Alright, so I'm gonna put this beauty down, and then I'm gonna show you guys the next one, and then after show you guys the last one, we're gonna get to try all of them. And they are going on sale with a really nice price in AliExpress. So if you're looking for a nice wig, now I'm gonna show you guys the pink one. Super beautiful, definitely is gorgeous. This is the pink one. Love it. This one I think is 22 or 24 inch, something like that, but it is stunning. Love it. I love all of them. They all are very beautiful and really nice. Very beautiful, very nice. Look how gorgeous this is. So soft. Perfect wig. Alright, so let's try these beauties on. So I couldn't find the little cap that we're going to need for putting this wig on, but what I did is I just put my hair back well pinned down. So we're going to do this. Remember, I'm not expert on this, so I'm just alright. So this is the first one. So this is how the first one look like. Oh, I love this color. What you guys think? Like it? Perfect. Very beautiful. You can wear this with a Halloween costume. Just wear for go out. You know, this one actually fits really nice. Really nice. It's very secure. So you guys let me know in the comments below which one of them is your favorite. So I'm gonna take this one out so we can try our next one. Alright, so this is the final look with the black one. So I cut it as close as I could. I didn't want to go anymore because I was scared to cut in my hair. Very beautiful hair. Wow, look at this. This reminds me of my natural hair when I was younger. This should look just like that. All natural. I'm gonna destroy it all. Alright, so this is the second one. Very beautiful. So you guys tell me down in the comment below which one of them is your favorite one. Well, I didn't have to put the pink one on, so but I really love the red one. What the back look like? That's how long it is. Alright babe, so I'm going to take this beauty down and then we're gonna try the pink and the last one. Well, I think I'm gonna cut this one out of my head because I did cut a little bit of my my hairline. So I'm just going to trim it. This beauty here, we already cut it. Alright, so we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the first one. I think these go down really more smooth if you have the hair cap, but I told you guys I don't own one. Oh my god, I love this. Okay, this when installed the right way, it looks really pretty. Alright, so this is the final look. They're gorgeous. So which color was your favorite? Very beautiful. And you can actually do, you know, like create hairstyle with this. I'm just not going to do now because one, I don't have the hair cap to properly secure my hair in place. So I'm not going to, you know, reinstall the wig if I don't have the thing that I need. Because if I'm gonna try to, you know, make a hairstyle or comb or pull, I'm gonna pull out of place. But it's very beautiful. So normally when you install that, you put a little bit of like a gel or glue here and dry and stay really in place, but it's gorgeous. Love it. Alright guys, so this is the last wig, the last look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video review. Like I said, these wigs are from AliExpress and I'm gonna have all the link and the info on the description of this video about their sale and about this wig if you guys decide to give them a try. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. I'll see you guys next video.